In my previous video, I was discussing the word problems on maxima and minima. In this video, I'll continue with the same. So these are the questions from exercise 6.5 of chapter 6, application of derivatives, from the book Applied Mathematics, class 12 by M.L. Agarwal. The 17th question, an open box with a square base is to be made of given iron sheet of area 27 square meter. Show that the maximum volume of the box is 13.5 cubic meter. So here let us consider this as an open box. Here it is open. This open box have to be made from an iron sheet of area 27 square meter. The iron sheet, it is required to make the base and the 4 sides. These 4 sides are made with this iron sheet of area 27 square meter. We have to show that the maximum volume of the box is 13.5 cubic meter. So first let us take, let x be the side of the square base and let h be the height of the open box. And here it is given the total surface area is 27 meter square. Here total surface area, it will not include this part. So for this question we have this is the square base of side x and this is the height h. So using an iron sheet of area 27 meter square, we have the 4 sides made, the square base and the remaining 4 sides. So from this we have, this implies x square plus 4 into xh equal to 27. Or from this we have h is equal to 27 minus x square divided by 4x. Now we have to show that the maximum volume is 13.5 cubic meter. So we have to maximize the volume. So to maximize volume V is equal to, usually the volume of the cuboid is given by length into base height. Here length is x, base is x and height is h. So to maximize volume V is equal to x square into h. Or it is equal to x square into, here we have h as 27 minus x square by 4x. So dv by dx is equal to 1 by 4 into 27 minus 3x square. We know that at the critical points dv by dx equal to 0, which means 27 minus 3x square equal to 0, or we have 3x square equal to 27, x square equal to 9, or x is equal to plus or minus 3. Here we cannot take minus 3 because here x is the side of a cuboid. Therefore, x is equal to 3. Now we will find d square v by dx square from this equation. So it is equal to 1 by 4 into 0 minus 3 into 2x. Now at x is equal to 3, we have d square v by dx square is equal to 1 by 4 into minus 6 into 3, which is less than 0. Therefore, x is equal to 3 is a point of local maxima. And maximum volume is given by, from here we have to substitute x as 3. maximum volume is equal to 1 by 4 into 27 into 3 minus 3 cube. So when we simplify, we get 27 divided by 2, or it is 13.5 meter cube. So we have to show that the maximum volume of the box is 13.5 cubic meter. So we got the maximum volume as 13.5 cubic meter. Now the next question. The volume of a closed metal box with a square base is 4096 centimeter cube. The cost of polishing the outer surface of the box is rupees 4 per centimeter square. Find the dimensions of the box for the minimum cost of polishing it. So here it is given the volume of a closed metal box with a square base is 4096 centimeter cube. The cost of polishing the outer surface is rupees 4 per centimeter square. So we have to find the dimensions of the box for minimum cost of polishing it. So first let x be the side of the square base and let h be the height of the box. So the side of the square base is x and the height is h. Here it is given the volume is 4096 centimeter cube. So we know that the volume V is nothing but x into h is equal to 4096, or from this we have h is equal to 4096 divided by x square. Now we have to find the dimensions of the box for minimum cost of polishing it. Here we have to polish the entire box. So to find the dimensions of the box for minimum cost of polishing it, the total surface area should be minimum. Therefore, we have to minimize the total surface area. So to minimize total surface area, yes, the total surface area of a cuboid is given by 2 into length into breadth plus breadth into height plus length into height. Here we have length and breadth as x and height as h. So s is equal to 2 into x square plus xh plus xh. Or this is equal to 2x square plus 4x into h is 4096 divided by x square. Now to find the minimum surface area, yes, we have to find the critical points. So first let us find ds by dx. ds by dx is 4x minus 4 into 4096 by x square. Now ds by dx equal to 0 implies 4 by x square, it is common, I am taking it outside, x cube minus 4096 equal to 0, or we have x cube equal to 4096 is nothing but it is 16 cube. Therefore, x is equal to 16. So, x is equal to 16. Now, we will find d square s by dx square. So we got x is equal to 16 by equating ds by dx to 0. Now d square s by dx square is equal to 4 minus 4 into 4096 into minus 2 by x cube. Now d square s by dx square at x is equal to 16 equal to 4 plus 4 into 4096 into 2 divided by 16 cube. This is greater than 0, which means x is equal to 16 is a point of local minima. Now we have already taken h as h is equal to 4096 divided by x square. It means h is equal to 4096 divided by 16 square. It is 16. Therefore, the required dimensions are 16 centimeter should be the length, 16 centimeter width and 16 centimeter height. So here they have asked, find the dimensions of the box for minimum cost of polishing. The polishing should be done to the entire box. It means the total surface area should be minimum. Total surface area will be minimum when x is equal to 16. When x is equal to 16, we get h is equal to 16. We have taken the side of the square base as 16. Therefore, the required dimensions are length should be 16 centimeter, breadth should be 16 centimeter and height also should be 16 centimeter. If these are the dimensions, then the cost of polishing will be minimum. Next question, an open tank with a square base and vertical sides is to be constructed from a metal sheet so as to hold a given quantity of water. Show that the cost of the material will be least when the depth of the tank is half of its width. So here it is given an open tank with a square base again and vertical sides. It has to be constructed from a metal sheet to hold a given quantity of water. We have to show that the cost of material is least when the depth of the tank is half of its width. So first let x be the side of the square base and let h be the depth of the tank. Then the volume V is given by x square into h. So here x is the length of the square base and h is the depth of the tank. So from this we can write h is equal to v by x square. So we have to minimize the area. We have to minimize the surface area. S equal to the area of the square base is x square and the area of the four sides, it will be 4 into xh. Area of one side is xh. We have four sides. This one side, we have this one side, the next side, the third side and the fourth side. So the total area is area of the square base plus 4 into x into h. So here we can write to minimize total area, yes. Or from this we have x square plus 4x into h is v by x square. So from 1. Now let us find ds by dx. It is equal to 2x minus 4v by x square. We know that at the critical points ds by dx equal to 0, which means 2x minus 4v by x square equal to 0. Let me continue. Or we can simplify this as LCM is x square, 2x cube minus 4v equal to 0. So we get 2x cube is equal to 4v, or x cube is equal to 2v. Therefore x is equal to 2v the whole raised to 1 by 3. Then let us find d square s by dx square. So this is equal to 2 plus 4v into 2 by x cube. This is greater than 0 at x is equal to 2v the whole raised to 1 by 3. Therefore, x is equal to 2v the whole raised to 1 by 3 is a point of local minima. Now we have to show that the cost of material will be least when the depth of the tank is half of its width. That is, we have to show that h is equal to x by 2. So from here we have x cube is equal to 2v. Initially we have taken h is equal to v by x square. So from h is equal to v by x square, we have h is equal to v is nothing but x cube by 2. So we get h is equal to x cube by 2x square. So this is nothing but x by 2. Therefore, h is equal to x by 2. So for the minimum surface area, the depth of the tank should be half of its width. So we have taken h as depth of the tank and we have got it is equal to half of the width. So this is the answer. The next question, a tank with rectangular base and rectangular sides open at the top is to be constructed so that its depth is 2 meter and volume is 8 meter cube. If building of tank costs rupees 70 per square meter for the base and rupees 45 per square meter for sides, what is the cost of least expensive tank? So here it is given a tank with rectangular base and rectangular sides which is open at the top should be constructed and the depth is given as 2 meter and volume is 8 meter cube. They have also told the building of tank cost rupees 70 per square meter for base and rupees 45 per square meter for sides. So we have to find the cost of least expensive tank. So let us take, let x be the length and let y be the width of the tank. It is given the depth h is 2 meter and volume v is 8 meter cube. So we have taken x as length and y as width. The depth is given as, this is given as 2 meter. So volume we know it is xy into h. Xy into h is equal to 8. H is given as 2. So from this we have y is equal to 8 by 2x or it is equal to 4 by x. Now we have to minimize the total cost. So to minimize, total cost C is equal to, here it is given, the base requires cost of rupees 70 per square meter. So it means the area of the base is xy. xy into 70 plus 45 per square meter for the size. So we have to minimize the total cost. C is equal to 70 into xy plus 45 into the area of the two sides, 2xh plus the remaining two sides is 2yh. So this is equal to 70 x into y is 4 by x plus, here 2 is common, let us take it outside. So 90 into, and h is also 2, into x plus y. y is 4 by x. So this is equal to 280 plus 180 into x plus 4 by x. So we have to find the value of x for which this total cost is minimum, and then we have to find the least cost. So to find the point of local minima, the steps are same. dc by dx equal to 0 plus 180 into 1 minus 4 by x square. At the critical point, we know dc by dx equal to 0. So it means 180 into 1 minus 4 by x square equal to 0, or x square equal to 4. From this we get x is equal to plus or minus 2. We cannot have x is equal to minus 2 because the length cannot be negative. So x is equal to plus 2. Then we have to find d square c by dx square from here. So it is equal to 180 into 8 by x cube. Now d square c by dx square at x is equal to 2 is 180 into 8 by 8. It is greater than 0. Therefore, x is equal to 2 is a point of local minima. And the minimum cost can be calculated from this. Therefore, cost of least expensive tank equal to 280 plus 180 into 2 plus 2. So this is equal to rupees 1000. So this is the cost of least expensive tank. I hope this video was useful for you. Thank you for watching.